Noticed that when I was shooting the balls of yarn, it looked a little bit weird coming from the front of the cat. So on the yarn sprite, when I start as a clone, I've shifted it to the back layer. Our next step is to go onto our stage, and we need to make a new variable. In the variables area, please create a variable and call it lives. Then, when the flag is clicked, we're going to hide our lives, and when we receive play, we're going to show our lives. We also need to set our lives to 3 at the start of the game. For now, I've made my lives into a large layout, and I'm going to put them on the right-hand side. I can check that when I push the green flag and I push play, our lives goes to 3. Our next step is to upload a new sprite. Please click on the mouse sprite and open it. And instead of calling it mouse, we're going to call it falling. Then go into the costumes area. We need to upload several more sprites. We've got 2 different costumes for our dogs. And we're also wanting to paint a curiosity sign. To create your sign, please use the text tool and write the word curiosity. Center your text and then draw a box around it, making sure that the text can be read against the background. Remember to control and drag to resize the text in proportion and adjust the background and foreground color so that you're happy with the result. All the way through, I've been keeping an eye on my preview area, and I want to make sure that the sprites are roughly the same size. So in this case, because my curiosity sign is quite small, I'm going to resize it so that it's a similar size to the dogs and the mouse. All of these are, of course, much too large, so let's make them way smaller in the sprites area and check that they're a reasonable size. Then, in our costumes area, we need to give them sensible names. So I've got a mouse. This particular dog is going to be called Rover, and this dog is going to be called Spot. And of course, this is my sign. Next, we can go into the code area. To begin, I'm going to set up the sprite at the top left-hand side and hide it. We're wanting to randomly generate clones and have them appear between 0 and 1.5 seconds. So instead of waiting 1 second, we can randomly wait between 0 and 1.5 seconds, and we're going to create a new clone while we play the game. As this video is getting a little bit long, we're going to continue creating our falling object in the next video.